Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to set a picture to the background of your messenger. So if you just want to know about this, follow up my video instruction. You can see we got only themes in the messenger. We can set any themes we got official from the messenger. It's right here on new themes. And you can choose any of them. This is completely free. But I want to show you how we can set a picture to the background. This is very easy. You have to open the Play Store of your Android device and install this tool. We can search for designer tool. Once we got this, just install it and wait for it. Once the tool has been installed to Android device, open it. And we got the third option we got here. Just tap over here to set a picture. And I'm going to choose this one. Then we got the setting. By the way, I'm going to pass that. So we have mockup overlay. Once I tap on it, you can see I got here on the setting, which is display over other apps. So you're gonna give permission for this application here. Tap to open, make it available, exit. And here you can see I got the photo on my Android device background, and you can turn off like this. So you can just check for that from the notification bar too. I'm just going to exit from the application and just opening Messenger, and I check out for any of my friends, and I'm going to scroll down the notification, and you can see I got the photo on the background and it looks great but not perfect. So if you're just interested to set a picture to the background of your messenger, you can use this way. This is completely free, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to like and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.